All right, guys, we've got a 2023 Lexus IS 350 F Sport. Look at this sucker. What do you guys think of the front grille? What do you think? Is it too big or just right? Jared, what do you think? Too big? He's not going to come. To him, it's too big. Okay. To each their own. I like it. It's different. Anyways, what we got done on this thing is a little bit different than usual. So it's got factory converters there and there, secondary converters there. Then we left the stock resonators right there. Then we installed two Valvetronic mufflers there and there, universal kit. We'll have a link in the description forum for you guys, right there and right there. And how they work is they got valves on top, vacuum actuated valves there and there. So when the valve is closed, it goes through the muffler right there and then back out the tailpipe. When the valve is open, it goes straight through. No muffler. Okay? So open, straight pipe. Closed, through a muffler. That's what's cool about them. That's why they're called Valvetronics. And it's a really easy design, easy installation on them. They plug in right into the cigarette lighter. So it's nothing crazy. And then it's got a vacuum pump inside the trunk we put it and ran the lines and stuff. Okay? Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. So right now, guys, the valves are closed. I don't know if you can see inside there. Yeah, they are closed right there. So this is what it sounds like with it closed. Go ahead. Got a little tone to it, but nothing crazy. Almost sounds factory. Very, very quiet. What do you think of it? You like it quiet? He's a family man, so he's got to have it quiet sometimes, which I understand. That's what they designed them for. So as you can see, it's like 84 sound decibels. Again? So I'm going to go ahead and open them now. Sound decibels. $87, $88. It's not too much because of the resonators. But he had it straight pipe before, guys, and the biggest complaint was it droned too much inside. So hopefully this will fix that for him. All right, go ahead and back it up. So this is with the valves closed now outside. You can see it's quiet.
Valves are open. Valves closed.
All right, guys, this is with the valves open. So with the closed, it sounds stock. So we'll just do open drive off. This sucker flies. Wow. I like it. Impressive. Enjoy, guys.